Hello, good evening Baghdad, good evening Iraq. Now, Madam, she prepared for the lunch. What time is it? It's almost, I think, 5:30 na, I don't know. Yeah, 5:30. And that is the time of lunch here, just waiting to sir to come. Okay, so that is their salad, I don't know. On Celine, she sleep na, ay nako. She wake up na naman tomorrow very late and she is angry na naman yan. Okay, so this one is for the salad. Okay. Sir not yet come. And now I'm washing the dishes before they start eating of their lunch. So my lunch also is joined together na yun with the dinner. And after that one, 8:30 or 9, I sleep na. Si Sisi, she wake up that time. She is still again with his mama and his papa, and they sleep na naman very late. Ay nako, that's life of them. That's our home. So, the white rice. And this one, the rice yesterday. It's good pa yun. It's good to eat. And I washing the hair. It's okay. The normal. It's not too much. Washing. Oh, this is so that is the simple. It's good that is only the simple lunch with them, because almost every day it's good. If it's not every day eating lunch and dinner and breakfast a heavy food, slight to reduce the kilo of our body. That's why. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Shout out to all subscribers of mine nationwide and worldwide. And I wish that you subscribe also for my YouTube channel, for my old videos that I have. I wish to support. I wish and thank you, Lord. Thank you so much that you subscribe me again already to my YouTube channel, to my videos. Thank you, and bye. Good night, Baghdad. And the another countries, good day, good morning, madaling araw, good afternoon, early in the morning, or midnight, like this one. I don't know what time they are. Okay, yellow, bye. God bless us all again, and good night.